When it comes to window replacement or new installation in Frisco, TX, homeowners quickly discover that one of the most important decisions is selecting the right frame material. Windows are not just about letting in light, they affect your home's comfort, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and even long-term maintenance costs. Choosing the right frame ensures that your investment lasts and performs well in Frisco's unique climate, which combines hot summers with occasional cold snaps. Below, we'll explore the best frame materials available, along with their benefits, drawbacks, and the reasons why Frisco residents often favor them. Vinyl window frames. Vinyl has become one of the most popular window frame choices nationwide, and it's no surprise why Frisco homeowners love them. Pros: excellent energy efficiency with natural insulating properties. Low maintenance, no painting, staining, or sealing required. Affordable, making them one of the budget-friendly options. Resistant to rot, rust, and pests, which is ideal for Texas weather. Cons: limited color options compared to wood or fiberglass. Can warp under extreme heat if not high quality. For families looking for reliable, energy-efficient, and cost-effective solutions, vinyl frames are a top contender. Wood window frames. Wood windows have a timeless beauty that adds warmth and natural charm to any Frisco home. Pros: classic aesthetic appeal, perfect for traditional or upscale properties. Excellent natural insulation against heat and cold. Can be painted or stained in virtually any color. Cons: requires regular maintenance to prevent rot, warping, or insect damage. More expensive than vinyl or aluminum options. For Frisco homeowners who want a luxurious look and are willing to maintain it, wood frames are an unbeatable choice. Fiberglass window frames. Fiberglass has gained popularity in recent years for its strength and efficiency. Pros: extremely durable, resists warping, cracking, and swelling in Frisco's fluctuating weather. Offers superior insulation, often rivaling or surpassing vinyl. Can be painted, providing flexibility in design. Long lifespan, making it a strong investment. Cons: more expensive upfront than vinyl. Not as widely available as other materials. Fiberglass frames are ideal for homeowners who want high performance and durability without constant upkeep. Aluminum window frames. Aluminum windows have been around for decades and continue to be a practical choice in certain situations. Pros: strong and lightweight, allowing for slimmer frames and larger glass areas. Highly resistant to weather, making them durable in storm-prone areas. Low maintenance compared to wood. Cons: poor thermal performance unless fitted with thermal brakes. Can feel less cozy since metal conducts heat and cold easily. For modern-style homes in Frisco that emphasize sleek lines and expansive views, aluminum frames deliver a contemporary look. Composite window frames. Composite frames combine the best qualities of multiple materials, often wood fibers and polymers. Pros: offer the beauty of wood with the low-maintenance benefits of vinyl. Highly resistant to rot, decay, and pests. Excellent energy efficiency and durability. Cons: higher price point than vinyl. Availability can be limited depending on the manufacturer. Frisco homeowners who want the elegance of wood without the hassle of regular upkeep often choose composites. Final thoughts: the best window frame material for your Frisco home depends on your budget, design preferences, and maintenance expectations. If you want affordable and efficient, vinyl may be the way to go. For timeless elegance, wood delivers unmatched beauty. Fiberglass and composite options strike a balance between performance and aesthetics, while aluminum suits those with modern design tastes. By carefully weighing these options, Frisco residents can invest in windows that not only enhance curb appeal but also improve comfort and efficiency for years to come.